Matter of fact, same day as my last video, I was gonna leave, but I felt I should explain this to you because I see a lot of people ask this question on what they should get when it comes to lowering springs on their car. Now, I've learned that lowering springs and everything else that goes with it, it all depends on how low you go. You know what I'm saying? How low, you know the ludicrous song, how low can you go? You know what I'm talking about. But anywho, that ain't got nothing to do with that. So, let me tell you what I did to mine. I have Eibach springs, the Pro Kit. So what the Pro Kit does, it lowers it at 1.3 in the front, 1.5 in the rear. Can you see that? 1.5 in the rear. Lowers it at 1.5 in the rear. Now, if I was to show you a before picture, I'm gonna try to show you a before picture on how high this was back in the day. That's it right there. It's a 2-finger gap. See that? 2 finger. 2 finger, really not even a 2 finger because my finger's bent in, so it's about a 1.5 finger gap. That's the Eibach Pro Kit. On the rear, it's the same thing because this is lowered. This is lowered 1.5. So you know the back sits a little higher on these cars anyway. So now it basically sits like a, I don't want to say a Scat Pack or a Hellcat. It sits like my car. That's what it sits like. But if you were to refer to anything, it's got the height of a Scat Pack. That's what it does. So I guess that's probably why everybody asks me, is it a Scat Pack? But no, it's not a Scat Pack. It's an RT. It's not an RT Scat Pack. It's not anything other RT except for an RT Super Track Pack. That's it. RT Super Track Pack. What it does is gives it that appearance of being lowered like that. So you want that, and that's the only reason why I went with 1.3 in the front, 1.5 in the back, in the rear. And the reason I went with that because I didn't want my shit to be slammed, and I didn't want to be sitting on top of my tires. I don't really like to sit on top of tires. Look, that's just not me. I don't want my tires to be tucked under unless it's getting bagged. Other than that, I don't want that. So if you go with the H&R springs, they're going to be a hell of a lot lower than mine. They're probably going to be another, you probably be able to get 1 finger in there, and that's a little bit too low for me. I don't want that. If you go with the Eibach Pro Sport line, the Eibach Sport line is going to probably be the same as the H&R. Now, I personally don't need my car that low because with this, I still hit speed bumps if I go too fast over them. I remember one time I went to the dealership and I just got it lowered, not remembering I had it lowered, and I went on a speed bump normal, like bloop, bloop, that bitch said bloop, pa! I was like, oh snap, I didn't know it was that low. That is pretty low, right? But, you know, after the first time you learn. You learn after the first time, so that's what happened that time. But anywho, man, I just wanted to explain that to you, man, because I see, like I said, I see a lot of people ask, what's the recommendations on lowering the car? With springs, that's my recommendation. I'm gonna go with not going no lower. I'm not going to no 2 inches lower. I'm just not gonna do it unless I'm getting the bag, which probably be here in the future, near future. Matter of fact, near future I'm trying to do. I don't know. I'm just still debating on it because, you know, that's pretty pricey, and I don't know. You probably say, why do you do that? It's just an RT. You ain't got no Scat Pack or no Hellcat. Why would you do that? This is my fucking money. But anywho, other than that, man, I just wanted to make this extended version of this thing on video from the last video. I'm still in the same spot, as you can see. Still in the same spot. I ain't moved. As you can see, where's the name at? The name, I don't know. It's somewhere back there. Somewhere back there. You probably can see it. But yeah, I'm still in the same spot. Other than that, man, that's nothing. Hey, my man's out there. Look at him. He's looking decent. Let's see if I can get him on camera. Let's see. Let's see if I can get him close up. Right there. He's going to focus on him. Nope. Probably too far away to get that nice focus. But anywho, man, it's your boy. Stay tuned, stay locked, stay ready. We ain't got to get ready. I shall return with more custom stuff on my car to let you know everything I've done to it. We will discuss all that and why I do it and why I do what I do. I'll let your boy. Stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready. See him too wavy. And I'm out. One more thing. Comment, like, and please subscribe. Comment, like, and please subscribe. You can share the video if you want to. Hey, share it. But as long as you who's watching it have subscribed, I don't care if you share it or not. But do me that favor and subscribe if you haven't. It's your boy. I'll leave a link in the description to everything I've done to my car. Actually, everything I've done to it. I will leave a link in the description where you can go find it. If it was bought online or whatever, I'll leave that link in the description. Holla at your boy and I'm out. Deuces.